All right, and good morning. It's your boy Anthony Peso, one half of the Icebreakers, and I want to give a big shout out to the boys over at GRIDREADY. Thank you very much. They went ahead and shipped to me the Tail Light Tint for my 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Blacktop Edition, and we're going to go ahead and install that right now. All right, so this is pre-installation, okay? And I apologize for any dust and dirt on the vehicle, as we are in monsoon season and it just got through raining, so got all this water. This is after the detail. Pretty stupid, you know, pretty pissed about it. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and follow the instructions, and we're going to wipe these lights down, all right, with an alcohol water-based solution. What I've been doing is just simply water and alcohol, right? So went ahead, pre-mixed water, alcohol, got my dab towel, my dry towel. You pick these up at AutoZone. These are really good towels. I got my coffee because it's so early, and you know, I get up early to do these videos and things like that. And here's the product. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the product. Let's see what we got here. So what GRIDREADY includes in every one of their packages, thank y'all again, is a squeegee. Okay, this will be used as as you go ahead and apply the product. You use this to smooth the product down as you're laying it down onto the surface, and it removes the air bubbles, okay, if done correctly. They include this, and make sure you all go ahead and get your free gift. All right, it's a welcome gift at gridready.com/gift. All right, they also have the scan code there. They also include installation guides. Okay, feel free to drop comments or you know, likes and subscribes, but definitely comments if you find easier ways to install any of their tint products. Okay, these guys are real cool, and they do love constructive criticism. They always include one extra of whatever product it is that you're installing that's tint. Okay, so just in case you mess up, you get your practice on the extra one. All right, so that's our product. Okay, and then they always include a microfiber cloth, which in our world is very useful for multiple different reasons, multiple different situations. So we're gonna go ahead and set this camera up so y'all can watch the install. All right, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and apply this cleaning solution. Okay, so this is a dirty tail light due to the monsoon out here in Arizona. So we're gonna clean a bigger area around here. Okay, it's better safe than sorry. So we're just go ahead, and I'm gonna end up getting this entire car detailed right after this. So we'll go ahead, and we don't really care if one side is cleaner than the other or whatever. I'm gonna wipe it. I'm gonna dab it some more, okay, just to make sure I'm getting it really. What I'm gonna do also, just to be safe, I'm gonna pop the trunk. I'm gonna get the these cracks in here, because if this product is like the others that they sell, there's going to be just a little bit of excess tint hanging off, which allows it to fully cover the light really cleanly. So we'll wipe those. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that up here too, out of the camera view right now, but y'all get the idea. Okay. For this installation, you have actually two products that work together. Okay, so you have driver fender, which this will be listed as a fender. It's on the fender side, and driver trunk, which is the trunk leaf. All right, so let's go ahead and we will peel the transfer paper, the actual paper, I believe.
believe, or will we do it this? Oh, okay, no, we won't. All right, so this is actually straight tint. All right, so this is going to be similar to their side light kit. So we'll wrap our squeegee just to have it ready with the microfiber. Okay, we'll just set this right here. All right, so let's see how this lays. All right, so this is, all right, so it has a slight curvature. So I'm just matching it up, and this is strictly mainly for the white light. So we will have, let me see, do I want some excess? I guess it's kind of like your call if you want excess, but you can actually see the bevel or bezel, the bevel of the edge of this light where it actually bends in. So that's actually where we want to lay this thing. So for all my do-it-yourself guys, yeah, just it's pretty cool once you actually take the time and just look at it. So it doesn't look like there's really going to be any excess, which is fine because there's actually a black trim at the end of the light. So let's go ahead and just lay this down. Okay, we are right in there, right in pocket there. Yep, that looks good. So take a stand back, just look. Nah, we'll pull it up. Okay, we'll go up a little higher. Okay, let's go right here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's still not looking good. So let's mash it like right there. It's almost all right. So you kind of get the picture. So you really just do it, you know, to where it looks good to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come on this side here, and I'm gonna work it from maybe this corner. Okay, maybe this corner. The sun is a little bright. Let's see. All right. I think it's just because I was being really picky. But hey man, I love my Dodge. I'm picky. Nothing wrong with that, guys. All right. Okay. So we're gonna see how this looks real quick. So I'm using my fingers to smooth it real quick. Okay. And again, we can pull it up. You can use the squeegee. Okay. Wrapped. It's just kind of difficult with what I see right here is because the squeegee is actually wide, so it doesn't have like a, but so you would just work it from the top then at an angle. So there you are. So we will use a blow dryer. Don't have to, but suggest it. Okay, so all right, so there it is. So there's one. So now let's do our next one. Driver trunk is our next one, so we'll go ahead and lower our trunk so you can see the difference now, right? Driver trunk. So obviously you rotate it because our curvature is to the right of the vehicle. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so I'm gonna move this over actually. I'm gonna start it from over here a little further. So this is just simply to black out the white light, okay? So that's what this tint is for. So with that in mind, make sure you're covering the white light. Okay, so we got, let's see what we got. So that's gonna come down just a bit, huh? So we can, all right. So it's gonna take me a couple tries just because I'm funny and I want it to be perfect, as perfect as possible, okay? So keep in mind, these are template cutouts. So, all right, let's see where we're at. Oh, I like the way this one's coming out. All right, so I'm smoothing this in a manner that the air bubbles, whoa, thought I was, would be minimized. All right, we're gonna squeegee this guy. We're gonna pull it up just a little bit, but we're in the right area. We're definitely in the right zip code for this. So let's gently, okay, pull that up. All right, here we go. There it is. Okay. I thought I had an air bubble under there, but it was actually a piece of the light case. All right, so there it is. You got one right there. So we'll smooth her up, smooth her up. Okay, so there she is. So that right there, there's actually a knob like on the actual case there, so that's not a true air bubble. So in terms of the product, I actually like this. It makes the car look a little more aggressive. You still have your brake light, right, which is, I believe, the thing you cannot cover. Not sure, look at the laws in your state. But this white light, which takes away from the beauty of, you know, the black on the blue, is now eliminated. So I will get back to y'all here shortly after I've complete the install. Gone. All right, so we went ahead, we got our heat gun or blow dryer, if you will, to heat up any of these corners here. I'm gonna use it to heat these corners right there and some of these little spots, but this here, and like somewhere else inside of here is actually an imperfection in the case of the light. So that won't come out, that's not gonna come out. So, but we're just using this to heat up, and it doesn't take much heat. Okay, we're just gonna go like that. And it's there just to make these also adhere a little better. So I definitely wanted to get that corner in right quick. So we got it in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and heat the rest of this. I'll do that on each one of these, okay? Just go over it one last time. Whoops. Any excess, make sure you bend it this way. Okay. Nice, perfect. All right, here we go. This looks so nice. This finished product is actually really awesome. And again, I mean, these things for the price of this is like, to me, well worth it. I mean, they look really nice. Makes it look even more aggressive now. All right, so here's the finished product, everybody. I'm gonna black that Dodge out to make this a true testament of the blacktop edition RT. So all the white lights are blacked out. Finished product.
All right, so once again, it's your boy Anthony Peso. We have wrapped up the install of our rear tail light tints, which were provided by, thank you again, GRIDREADY. And this is our finished product. Super sleek, super dope, super aggressive. If you like what you see, you know, go ahead, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, let me know how your installation came out. And once again, it's your boy Anthony Peso. Gone.
Yeah.